Now look at the question number exercise 11.2 question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC is what 13 cm. AB plus AC is what 13 cm. So already you know how to construct a triangle. If the base and base angle and some of the other two sides given, this is the procedure. Now I will show you how to construct a triangle according to the given data. Right? First one is what? BC equal to 7 cm. BC equal to what? 7 cm. So first you draw a base BC equal to 7 cm. This is a base BC equal to 7 cm. Alright, side by side, try to the steps of construction also. So draw a base BC equal to 7 cm. Alright dear, yes. After that, what is the next point? And at the point B, make an angle. Say XPX equal to the given angle. Here, what is the given angle for us? 75 degree. So you have to construct 75 degree at the point B in such a way that XPC equal to 75 degree. XPC equal to what? 75 degree. How will you construct? Yeah, you have to bisect 75 and 90 and 60. Am I right? So it is 60. It is what? 90. It is what? 90. After that you have to bisect 60 and 90. After that you have to bisect 60 and 90. Am I right? So if you are bisecting 60 and 90, then it will be what? 65 degree. Now, can we bisect now? Yeah. It is what 60, it is what 90, so bisect 60 and 90. Bisect 60 and 90. Now how will you do that? See. It is X, B, C that is equal to 75 degree. Am I right here? So we completed this one. Draw a base BC equal to given that is 7 cm and then at the point B make an angle what? 75 degree. That is such that XBC equal to what? 75 degree. Angle XBC equal to 75 degree. Otherwise construct 75 degree at B. Okay. Then cut a line segment BD that is equal to AB plus AC. That is sum of the other two sides. What is the sum of the other two sides given for us? 13 cm. So what you will do? Cut a line segment BD equal to 13 cm from the ray BX. From the ray BX. So now take 13 cm in your compass. Take 13 cm in your compass with B as center. From where? With B as center, take 13 cm, cut an arc. So where it intersects the ray BX, name it as D. Name it as what? D. After that what you will do? Join CD. Join CD. Now join CD now. Join CD now. Now we join CD. After that, what is the next step? Draw perpendicular bisector PQ of CD. Draw the perpendicular bisector PQ of CD. Now, how will you draw the perpendicular bisector? are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. So with CS center, take more than half of CD, draw out on the AS side. After that, without changing the measurement, with DS center, draw out. With CS center, draw out. Okay. Without CS center, draw out. Here I am taking the approximate measure. Okay. Suppose from here, if you are drawing, it will somewhere intersect like this. Am I right here? So please remember, already you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector for the given line. So this is the given line CD. How will you construct a perpendicular bisector? Take more than half of the line segment. From this point, draw an arc on both sides, and then from this point of center, draw an arc. That arc, it will intersect the previous arc. That arc, it will intersect the previous arc. Now, join this point of intersection. Name it as P, it is Q. Join P to now. Join P to now. Here it is not intersecting the line BD, so extend. So where it intersects the line segment BD, name it as A. Name it as A. Now join AC now. Join AC now. Now this ABC is a rectangular triangle. This ABC is a rectangular triangle. Are you getting here? Yes. Now justification. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Name it as M. So here we are going to verify how this BC is 7 cm and B is 75 degree and AB plus AC. Where is AB plus AC? AB plus AC is 13 cm. You have to prove that. AB plus AC is what? You have to prove that 13 cm. It is very simple. See, in triangle AMD and triangle AMC. What I am saying? AMD and triangle AMC is the perpendicular bisector. So therefore M is the midpoint of DC. Here for me it is not showing that, it is not looking like M is the midpoint of DC, but when you are doing properly you will get like M is the midpoint of DC. You will get. Am I right? So MD equal to MC. It is 90 degree, 90 degree. Am I right? And then we need one more thing. 90 degree, 90 degree, and then it is by pitch congruence. You have to say that pitch congruence. Angle, it is 90, AMD is 90, AMC is 90, then MD equal to MC, then AM equal to AM, you can say that. AM equal to AM. Are you getting here? Now by which congruence will these two triangles are congruent? By side angle, side, because this angle is included between these two sides. Therefore, triangle AMD is congruent to triangle AMC. Triangle AMD is congruent to triangle AMC. Therefore, by simplicity we can say that. What you can say that? AD equal to AC. By simplicity you can say that AD equal to what? AC. Corresponding parts of congruence triangle, you can say that AD equal to what? AC. Now, the base, already we know that in triangle ABC, BC is 7 cm, so already it is given, so it satisfies. So angle B equal to 75 degree it is given, so already we constructed 75 degree at B, it satisfies. So only one thing you have to say that this AB plus AC is 13 cm. If you said AB plus AC is 13 cm, according to the given all these things, we construct a triangle ABC. So only one thing you have to say that AB plus AC will be 13 cm. AB plus AC will be 13 cm. Now how can you do that? Now tell me. So we know that BD is how much? 13 centimeter. Cut a line segment BD equal to 13 centimeter from the ray BX. So we draw already. That we draw line segment BD equal to what? 13 centimeter. Now the line segment BD is nothing but BA plus AD. What is that? BA plus AD. That is equal to 13 centimeter. Am I right here? Yes. And then after that, AD can be written as AC. Here already we proved these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT we can say that AC equal to AD. So therefore, this AD can be written as AC. Therefore, AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. Here already we proved that AC equal to AB. See, now we got AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. So this is the required triangle for us ABC. ABC. Are you getting clear? Yes. Here, what is given? You have to construct a triangle. One base is given, base angle is given, and then sum of the other two sides given. The thing is very simple. First you have to draw a given base, and then one angle also will be given. So you have to construct a base angle at a point B, and then after that sum of the other two sides given. So from the point B, take the sum of the length of the other two sides with B as center drawn, or where it intersects the ray BX, name it as D, then join CD. Join CD. So after that, draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. Draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. How will you draw the perpendicular bisector? Yes, with C as center, take more than half of CD. Right? With C as center, drawn or on the either side of the line segment CD. Without changing the measurement, another point the center drawn on that arc intersects the previous arc. That arc intersects the previous arc. After that, what you will do? Join the point of intersection. If suppose this line joining with the point of intersection is not intersecting the line segment BD, just you extend that. So where it intersects the line segment BD, name it as A. Name it as A. Then after that, join A and C. Join A and C. Now ABC is a required triangle. ABC is a required triangle. Now this is the justification. How will you justify that? Right? Here the base is given, base angle is given. So that one is clear. But you have to show that how this AB plus AC is 13 centimeter is coming here. So for that, here we prove these two triangles are congruent. For that, we prove these two triangles are what? Congruent. So this is the perpendicular bisector only. So M is the midpoint of what? CD. Therefore, MC equal to MD. MC equal to MD. Then angle AMC 90 degree, angle AMD 90 degree. Then AM common. So therefore, by side angle side congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So therefore, by simplicity we can conclude that AD equal to AC. AD equal to AC. Now already we drawn a line segment BD equal to 13 centimeter. So here BD is nothing but BA plus AD. So BA plus AD is 13 centimeter. Then AD is nothing but AC here. So AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. So now we constructed a triangle according to the given data. Are you getting here? Yes. Then tomorrow we will do one more question based on the same. One base angle, base and some of the other two sides given. Are you getting here? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you.